To set the file app to open HTTP files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Select Apps, and then tap the file apps. Scroll down the screen, find Firefox. Next, tap Firefox. Scroll down the screen, find HTTP, and then on HTTP, tap the file app, and then select the file app you want to set as the file to open HTTP. For example, Microsoft Edge, and then tap OK. Now Microsoft Edge set as default to open HTTP. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.